Show you how to add a fingerprint on the HUAWEI Y7 2019. Start by going to Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, and select Fingerprint ID. You'll be prompted to set a backup lock method, such as a pattern or passcode. Draw your pattern once and again to confirm, then tap Done. Tap New Fingerprint to start enrolling your fingerprint. Tap your finger on the back sensor repeatedly until the fingerprint is registered. You can rename the fingerprint if desired. Once enrolled, you can unlock the device using either the pattern or fingerprint. How you add a fingerprint. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,